Greetings, people of Earth. I'm Rick Harold. Thanks for listening to my video and my podcasts. Today we're talking about Amazon pricing for their AWS services. It's not meant just to talk about that, and I meant this is going to be short, hopefully. And why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because when Amazon first came out in 2007, 8, whatever year it was exactly, and since then, their approach has been you pay for what you use. And today, that may seem obvious, but back then, there were other services that weren't like that. They, like a lot of companies, what can we get out of the customer price-wise? And then you get the customer locked in, and then you don't change the prices. This was different. This was like kind of as close to electricity kind of mentality pricing as you could be, except not from a monopoly point of view where you have to get electricity from the same company. So this was really amazing. Amazon has continued this, and I'm not doing an Amazon commercial here because Microsoft and Google do the same thing. But Amazon was one of the first, if not the first, to do it in any kind of real sense. And it was something that we recognized, certainly as our products come out and have to be priced, that it has to be priced based on the value and then based on usage, however it's used. When Amazon came out 2.5 years ago, and again, I have a video on this, with the Lambda function, which is this separate piece of code that can execute serverless, so to speak. They charge per 100 millisecond or per usage calls. It's beautiful, right? I call this function, let's say it executes for 100 milliseconds. I get charged for 100 milliseconds. I mean, it's literally like it used to be with the timeshare back in the IBM days, in the 60s and 70s. I don't really remember that, but I know of it, although I did use timeshare in the 80s a little bit. And it's what it should be. And you can imagine over time, these time units will get smaller. The prices go down as the actual cost goes down. And of course, with multiple cloud companies, you get the competition going on. But it may seem commonplace today, but at the time when they came out with it, it wasn't. And they've been very consistent about keeping the price down. And it's something that we really appreciate. So that's it for today. Thanks again for listening. Take it easy.